Cancer insurance is designed to provide benefits for everyday costs or for health-related costs in the event of a cancer diagnosis and is available to the Arkansas State employees through AFLAC. This insurance has two plans, with both plans providing benefits at time of diagnosis, along with benefits that go along with the treatment of cancer, such as chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, hospital confinement, a wellness benefit, and home health care, just to name a few. Cancer insurance is available exclusively through H&H Employee Benefits Specialists on a pre-tax basis during open enrollment, plus during the new hire eligibility period, which is the first 60 days of employment. Outside of these times, it is available on a post-tax basis only. Underwriting is required, regardless of the time of enrollment. For more information, speak with an H&H enrollment specialist while they're on site at your agency. Contact your agency insurance representative for on-site enrollment schedules. Or for online enrollment, visit hnhebs.com or call 1-888-224-5233.